Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, I'm going to show you how to take an image and add edits and alterations. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need to find an image and open it up on your Chromebook. Here, you're going to see several tools at the top. Of course, you have your zoom in and zoom out, your delete button and information button. But over here, you have your crop button. Your crop button is going to help you resize your image. You can also use it to rotate your image. Over here, there's preset sizes in case you're trying to make an image to fit a certain format. Next to it, we have the rescale item. This can help you stretch your image. Say I want to make this Eevee extra tall. Let's see what happens. Woo! Next to that is our filters tool, which will let us change some of the color. This is super helpful in case you're trying to take a sheet of paper and trace something. You can use this on a dark image to help brighten it up and make it easier to see the lines so that you can trace your image. Next, I want to show you some alteration tools. In Google Classroom, when you add an attachment, you can go to the very bottom and add a Google drawing. Here it is. It opened up for me. I can use this tool right here to download an image and upload it into here. So over here on the website, I can look for an image and download it onto this. Or I can go here and go to the picture of the Eevee that I saved earlier in my downloads folder. Next, I can move it around, scale it, rotate it. Rotate it. There we go. I can also add like text. What if I want to make it look like it's saying, hello? I can change this text and make it bigger. I know there's a lot of students that want to try to make a comic strip and like do that for fun. You're going to love this stuff. You can go in here and you can add like a bubble so it looks like they're talking. Hello. Let's add more text. Let me do here. Wow. We can add lines. There's lots of stuff to play with, okay? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna get sidetracked because this is gonna be fun. Ooh, I can change some of the colors. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see, green. The highlight there. Oh, let's see. What if I want to change the box color? Ooh, there's so many things I could do with this. You could create a picture. You can just experiment and try different stuff. It's really up to you guys if you want to make it into a picture or not. Oh my goodness, there's so many things you could do for edits and alterations. That kind of makes it a little hard. There's so many different things. Well, be sure to send me a picture that you have added edits and alterations to. Till next time, class, keep being creative.